Okay, so let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is saying state the function of each of the following parts. So first and foremost, we're going to identify these parts, then we're going to switch on to the function of each part. So 1 is the generator, 2 connecting rod, 3 piston, 4 intake valve, 5 flywheel, 6 intake manifold, 7 intake manifold housing, 8 that's a oil filter cap, then 9 valve locker arm, 10 that's the camshaft, 11 that's the exhaust valve, then 12 that's the tensioner, 13 that's the timing belt, 14 that's the oil filter, 15 that's the crankshaft pulley, and 16 that's the oil pan. Okay, so 1 generator, 2 connecting rod, 3 piston, 4 intake valve, 5 that's the flywheel, 6 that's the intake manifold, 7 intake manifold, then 8 that's the oil filter cap, 9 that's the valve locker arm, then 10 that's the camshaft, 11 that's the exhaust valve, then 12 that's the tensioner, 13 that's the timing valve, then 14 that's the oil filter, and then 15 that's the crankshaft pulley, and finally 16 that's the oil pan. Let's now look at the function of each component. Okay, so let's look at the generator. So the function